We are following breaking news out of Northern California, where communities along the coast are under a tsunami warning.
The area was reportedly hit by a 7.3 magnitude earthquake just a short time ago. We don't have a lot of details, but we want to go to NBC News meteorologist Bill Cairns. Bill, what do we know so far?
Yeah, this is a strong to a very strong earthquake. Serious situation with the tsunami warnings in effect and people being told to leave the lower elevations down by any water, especially by the coast. So this is where the earthquake happened. Our computers, we can kind of take them. Anything above a 7.0 shows up on our maps here. And it looks like there's actually two. I had one that from the USGS that was marked as a 7.0. I know you're mentioning a 7.3, so we'll have to get and sort that out. But the bottom line is the very strong shake map is right near Crescent City here in this area. I'll get a closer view of that. But this tsunami warning, which goes up into southern Oregon, all the way back down to the San Francisco Bay, if there is a tsunami that was produced by this, it would be traveling along the coast. It would expect to arrive in San Francisco in roughly about 30 to 45 minutes from right now. Approximately 12:10 p.m. is when they're expecting it to be closest to San Francisco Bay. We don't have confirmation that there's definitely a tsunami, but there's a possibility. The depth of this earthquake was at 10 kilometers. That's roughly about 6 miles. Not considered super shallow, but it's not also deep, and that's the reason why we have the tsunami warning out here. So let's get a closer view. This is the closest area of California to the actual quake. If we had enough on the shake map for any damage to structures, it would be being reported shortly in Eureka, Rio Dell, all the way to Gerberville. Fort Bragg's not too far away from this either. And just to give you a comparison about, how unusual this is, on our planet every year, we only have 18 earthquakes this strong. And this one just happened just off the California coast. We'll give you more details shortly.
We know you'll have it, Bill. Thanks. Stay with us.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.